meet me outside, Bitcoin, crypto, don't go for a ride. If you're gonna get your surfboard, get it tied. Wall Street Pete, sick dough crypto. Please don't flip though. I'm not always right though. I'm not a financial advisor, but just a gentleman wearing a visor. Yeah, it's time to hustle. It's just so simple, I'ma solve this puzzle. And if you didn't know that you're feeling puzzled, it's TA, baby. Come on right over. Got one job, I got 1, 2, 3. I'll take 4 more just for me. I'm buying crypto, I'm dollar cost averaging, don't you know? You buy the dip, you have a sip, take a rip. Call me captain of this shit. I don't give a fuck, my name is Skip. XRP, Cardano, Ethereum. Take that shit right down to the cilium. I'ma put my fist through this shit. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Alright, the name is Wall Street Pete. Crypto in crypto. I thought you'd know. We on YouTube. You wake up in the morning, crack of dawn at Wall Street Pete. We talk about live TA. We talk about paying our bills and staying alive and doing the shit and making it great. Let me say, I'm tired of struggling every day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? This is the best YouTube channel, Crypto Space. We talk about the crypto news. We talk about technical analysis. What's going on, my people, my wolves of Wall Street? It's going pretty good. Vinny in the house, cousin Vinny. We got Mad Pool. We got Gary. We got Chief Mondo in the house. What's going on, Mad Poodle? Everyone is here. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We talk about going on a ride. Unfortunately, Uncle Vinny, cousin Vinny, brother Vinny, however you want to call it, I have a hater. I turned my uncle into a hater yesterday. I don't know if you watched any of the video. I was so upset yesterday. I apologize. We missed a lot of news. Hit the bell, hit the all notification. I want to talk about a few things. I want to talk about TerraLunc. I want to talk about Terra Classic. It's been hitting some bottoms here. Looks like a double bottom MS pattern is coming. Where I think it's going. These are some of the prices you could dollar cost average into on a fall. All this pertains if we hit that 14,000 Bitcoin I was talking about. So please, if you can get 1 second on your phone, on your computer, on your tablet, please hit the like button. We need the algorithm to go through the roof. Would appreciate it very much. Still believe that we got this fall coming. The weekend will be coming quickly. It's hump day, or it's actually Tuesday. So we got lots to talk about. First off, FTX. FTX, that's awesome. Thank you very much, Vinny, for spreading the love. FTX, if you're wondering what was going on, we talk about the crypto news. Hit the like and subscribe every day. I love it because Bitcoin Archive, FTX had 0 Bitcoin in the archives, assets listed in bankruptcy docs, yet had it 1.4 billion in Bitcoin liabilities. Ladies and gentlemen, they sold you fake Bitcoin. Some of the stuff I wanted to go over yesterday, but the whole script, the whole entire browsers got wiped out on accident. It was a stupid accident by me. But some of the things, we're going to talk about it now. So we were supposed to go over yesterday. Many things to go over. This be one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, I talked about this yesterday. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's a must. I can't do videos all the time on YouTube. So if you're a YouTube subscriber, just get Instagram. Just do it. Follow us on wallst.pete. Here we are, right up the top. I'm talking about what happened with Voyager. Voyager and Celsius kaput. They went shit. FTX beat Binance at the bid. I had not known this, was not aware. This was September 27th. This was not old news long ago. 2 months ago, less than 2 months ago, FTX beat Binance at the bid for Voyager. And what they said here, it seems like it's scary because what they say, Voyager investors remain hopeful for a smooth transition. How's that smooth transition going now? As Binance is hoping for a smooth transition for FTX to come into them, this is just a bad chain reaction, ladies and gentlemen. Get your money off the exchanges. Vinny, if you have your money, Lewis, if you have your money, Mad Poodle, everybody when is listening, if you have your money, we're going to have a good day singing, Pete. If you have your money on an exchange and you don't use a ledger, which is a USB drive that goes into your computer, go on your computer, plug it in. We're going to have to do a tutorial about this. Put all of your crypto that is on the exchange in a private key USB connected to there. You're then going to have a 12 keyword password where only you know that password written down somewhere safe in a lockbox. Then you will be able to not have to worry
one of these cocksucking exchanges going down. It's just the truth. I'm speak the truth. Elio Trades. I love this guy. Laugh my ass off. The real reason SBF Insanity tweet is confusing the crypto deleted bot. He tweets one letter at a time, deleting incriminating tweet. This gentleman is so bright and so stupid at the same time. And I'm talking about Sam Bankman-Fried. He is now doing some weird tweets trying to F up with the bots. I mean, this is the guy who does fake flight paths. It's a little old, it's a little ridiculous, but that was my whole reason for yesterday's video. The revenge party. I do believe that Binance is going to shatter every single one of these crypto exchanges. And as we continue to go, MyCrypto.com Martini guy, withdrawal of 2 Bitcoin has been pending for 24 hours. This is Crypto.com. This is why we are wondering. This is not normal and is suggesting they're bankrupt. Ladies and gentlemen, we follow each other. Crypto YouTubers do this and they watch what's going on. Update, funds still not arrived. Funds still pending. My concern is growing. People reporting smaller transactions are fine and seeing a lot of issues with larger transactions. The whales are getting hurt. This is crazy. I hope he had a ledger. I can't believe it. Sounds like he did not. So don't have a ledger and you're going to be under the weather. Withdrawals are being processed as usual. No FUD, please. This is the owner. This is the CEO of Crypto.com. Well, the FUD is already here, so have fun with that one. This is, and by the way, a month ago. This all happened a month ago. 1 month ago was when basically 400 million was sent to the Ethereum of Gate.io, and now CZ's just bringing it up because why not? Let's start the FUD. FTX, everyone's withdrawing. Now all of a sudden he did it. He did it. He managed to do it. Everyone in Crypto.com wants their money. It's happening. There is going to be a big pit to the fall. I'm telling you right now, there could be a relief. They're talking about bear traps. I don't think so. Crypto CEO accidentally describes Ponzi scheme. Talking about Sam Bankman-Fried, talking about CryptoZilla. This was 6 months ago. The red flags were there 6 months ago. Ladies and gentlemen, please hit the like and subscribe. I do this research for you. No one else does this for you. You work hard, and your money is important. Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to the big signs, the big warning signs. That red flag was 6 months ago. So my head hurts over and over as we talk about there was no Bitcoin on the FTX. In some bigger news, though, let's get on with the video. Uniswap overtakes Coinbase as second largest exchange, trading Ethereum today. So please don't have to go run and take your money off the Coinbase, but I do suggest you get a ledger, of course. That'll never change as one of my rules in crypto. But it's just a big leap for the Uniswap community. So congratulations to the Uniswap community as you've now surpassed them. Bitcoin shows strength. Price holds above the 16.5. Is this a bear trap? This is a very important message. My answer is yes. I believe this is a very big bear trap. We're moving up as I showed on the charts. We're going to get to them in just a moment. And please, if you have not hit the bell, all notification, we are dying to get to the 1.5K subscribers. Very important crypto channel. We come to you live at least once a day, talking about this crazy crypto space. Now, Kevin O'Leary, Mark Cuban's backing him. Kevin O'Leary was wrong. He said FTX, and I remember this exact video, FTX is a place that I will not have to worry about with my investments. Sure enough, we got millions and billions of dollars in this space, and these gentlemen aren't using ledgers? I don't understand. Are you too good for a ledger? Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you in this space, who may be around. Let me see who's around here because this is driving me nuts. Who has a ledger? Who doesn't have? Who has to buy a ledger? And please hit the like and subscribe. I really want to know. This is very important. Are we talking about billionaires? Are we talking about millionaires that don't have a ledger? That basically all it does is $100 ledger protecting your crypto asset, giving you private keys. So therefore, when an exchange does tank and has this issue, you're safe. Is it? I don't get it. Is $100 too much money? I can see that it's crazy because everyone's messaging me. All I get is crypto messages. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a YouTube channel. Check it out. It's pretty cool. You can chat instead of messaging me personally and go on my YouTube channel. I'm going to start doing that from now on. From now on, I'm going to start telling people the only way I answer is in a YouTube Live. I no longer answer that cell phone. If you know me personally and you're not watching this, well, that's your problem. So Wall Street Pete has a video that does crypto every single day, and yet every day come up with 35,000 fucking messages from people I know asking me a million Bitcoin questions. I love you all. I'm humbled. I'm amazed that I get this much attention, this many messages, this many fucking phone calls, as I'm getting one right now, excuse my French. But ladies and gentlemen, if you really appreciate Wall Street Pete's stuff, start watching. Start writing in the comment section. There's no special time later. Later I have to do work. Later I have research. Later I have a job. Later I'm a dad. Later I'm a family. I'm a father. I'm a husband. You need to leave Wall Street Pete alone. Unless it's very important. So we're going to get into the technical part, and then we're going to go, because this is insanity. Ever since the YouTube channel, I have seen friends come and go, family come and go, and it's really sad. And my short position still holds. I have this price predicted out. None of this is financial advice. Please understand that. I cannot trade your wallet for you. Does mine do well? Yes. But I'm not going to sit here and tell you what to do. I'm going to tell you my strategy only is to look for this 14,000 if we start breaking this 16,000 price, getting a quick little relief rally here. Now, if we're going to pop above, and we're going to do the TA part here, 17,500. I said there could be one that'll take us to all the way to 18 something. Well, this is where you're going to start understanding if it's happening. Now, please, there is no reversal if we just start bouncing. Pay attention, definitely to mention on this here. I do believe from this chart, and I'm going to go right to it, is this coming. Double bottom M pattern. It's all the FUD. Some people are still buying the dip. I totally understand, agree, but you got to pay attention to this. This is very important. See the break up to the top. We could get to about 18,000, perhaps not even that high, maybe 17.9, and then get this M all the way down. So we're going to watch this come to about the 14 now, as I found last night in the charts. 14,000 coming into the charts, coming into the past. If you pay attention on the daily here, and I'm coming to it with Bitcoin. Before we exploded, if you see right here, this is where we exploded. If anyone would agree, right? This is the explosion. What was the price before we did that explosion? Well, here it has right above where I've circled. And ladies and gentlemen, that's where I believe, and I'm going to have it right there, 14.2. 14.2, if you look, there is resistance at the day. And I'm going to come and zoom in on this. I want everyone to see this. This was the major resistance over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spent about 5 days in this little area before we came through, up, dip, and gone. And this is what started a trend. That's why I'm paying attention to the 14,000 possibility for us to come down and through and pop back up. So if anybody is wondering where I get this stuff from, I'm looking at technical analysis. I'm going back to the past, and that's something that I see. So that 14,000 here coming in, ladies and gentlemen, was from November 2020, exactly 2 years ago. So that's what I'm getting at. Here with TerraLunc Classic, as I'm coming through, there is a humongous support liquidity grab we touched at the 13. So at the 13 here, I'm looking to see if we do break down to the 13, we're going to automatically find ourselves at this 10 price. I will be buying this price. It's my strategy only. Please, if you do so, be very careful to take on this trade. But I do believe there'll be a significant bounce coming in. I'll be buying the dip. Could be one more fall through TerraLunc Classic. But I was looking at some of this here, even the MACD, looking to see here if we're getting this bearish momentum coming. See, it's flipping bullish, and then, like I said, that's part of the 18,000 Bitcoin. Come up and then down. So I think that is pretty much what's happening here. You can see, right, new higher lows coming in, and we're going to keep popping up a little bit till we hit resistance, and then we're going to die again. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a quick little relief, bear trap, as they may say. And if you see where we're going to hit, a lot of people are probably curious to what that may be. And as you can see, the support level right there, about the 18 level, probably one last touch of there, and that's it. So once we do that, I'm expecting something similar to that, giving us an immediate spike to the downside, giving us another falling knife. So look for us to be bearish. The total crypto market cap, before we go, I don't like to do anything longer than 15 minutes videos anymore. I think it's very important for the crypto space to get quick videos and quick updates. 16.9, getting a little relief, a little in the green. 7 days, as you can see, though, we're still in the red, down 13%. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Congratulations, Uniswap, for passing Coinbase this morning. In the last 24 hours, it's the #2 exchange, with FTX going down, and now crypto probably continuing to tank. Where is crypto? Cronos, ladies and gentlemen. Cronos falling down to the 29th market cap. You can see the volume is very low, 126 million. Ouch. 1.8 billion still in the market cap, but that is very low, very bad. 35% down in the last 7 days. As you can see, though, nothing really is coming down that much except for FTX and FTT. Real But there you go. TerraLunc even down 19%. These are some of the things I like to buy. This is my personal move. When things are down 18, 19, 20%, I usually start paying attention. And this to me tells me that a lot of people in the last 7 days between FTX, this is a huge thing right here. 93%, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on here is everyone is taking the said unprotected private key money and putting it into the trust wallet. Pretty incredible, ladies and gentlemen. People are getting smarter. I do like it. The crypto space, we're going to get an adoption. A lot of people with this fund are not appreciating what's happening. I understand. Crypto is at an all-time hate right now. The FUD is real as steel, ladies and gentlemen. The extreme fear is in right now. No doubt. I even have to look it up and see what the Bitcoin index greed fear chart looks like. We already know. Extreme fear as everyone is in. The recession has even yet to kick in. Imagine that. Let's see what Bitcoin does when that really kicks in hard. We'll talk about the DXY. We'll talk about the S&P as we did yesterday. If you're looking to see that update, that's in last night's video. Go check it out. Tomorrow or tonight, we're going to have an update. So please hit the bell all notification. When we have crypto news, we come right away with you. We don't wait for other YouTubers. We'll basically do our own research. So please do your own research. None of this is financial advice. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and thank you so much for everyone's support. You are very appreciated.